Ten smakný pierwszy pomina polskiej kuchni. Cześć, jestem Jeremy and today we have lasagna, Maltese lasagna. No tu zaczynamy. Trick I like to use is that I soak the lasagna in warm water before I use it. So I'm gonna start now and put them one by one, because if you put them all together they will stick. So why I soak them first? So they absorb a little bit more water, so it's not that dry when I put them to bake. Plus that, another trick is that when I do the bolognese, which I already did, I have to do a video of how to do a Maltese bolognese. I add a little extra water so it's more runny. The method here is so the pasta, the lasagna, when it absorbs the sauce, it doesn't dry out the sauce completely and it will remain moist. Now, as I said, bolognese is ready, but I didn't do the bechamel, so let's do a quick bechamel. So for the bechamel, I'm gonna warm up a liter of milk. I'm gonna put a little nutmeg, a little allspice, and salt. We're gonna do a roux. Let's put the oven on. At 180 degrees. Now this is my lazy way of doing the bechamel. I use the blender, which is faster. We're not cooking here for a Michelin star restaurant. It will still become good, if not better. Back on the stove. So we'll bring the sauce, the bolognese on this side. Large dish, the bechamel, and we can begin. First thing I do is I put a bit on the bottom so it doesn't stick the pasta. This one, we can start putting it. One layer of sauce, bolognese, another thing, when I lay, the lasagna, I don't always lay them in the same way. So one layer is all horizontal and then the next layer is vertical. Now bechamel. Another layer. Now usually as to be the Maltese way, you usually put ricotta, a layer of ricotta on top of the bolognese here. But for two reasons, I'm not gonna use ricotta. One, I don't have Maltese ricotta, which is much denser than the ricotta that you buy from here, which is too creamy. Secondly, I have kids, so I'm gonna use a mozzarella just for them, since they love it a lot. Okay, so we do another layer. Now this would be my last layer, so the remaining of the bolognese. The remaining of the bechamel that I have left on top. Now on top, some Parmigiano. And I have some dried Pietruszka for the color. So now we move the lasagna to the oven and we leave it for around 30 to 35 minutes. You will know until the top is all reddish and crusty. So, in the oven. So, lasagna is ready. Let's see if we can cut a piece. Let's see if we manage. So I hope you like my take on the lasagna, Maltese style. Please, as usual, like, share and subscribe. I thank for the subscribers who always click on my videos. And with that, do zobaczenia.